I'm gonna start off by making another spoon. I don't know if I'm talking loud enough for the mic to pick up quite yet. Just finding out. Gonna put the standoffs on to grab my spur, which I thought was on the lathe bed, but it's not. We're at gain 0 right now, and we'll start there, and we'll kind of work our way through all the different gain levels. I'm not gonna bother testing Bluetooth because the quality was just terrible on Bluetooth. It worked for a few things, but I don't know, there's a lot of popping, a lot of weird background noise cutting in and out. Bluetooth is only line of sight. It's got maybe a 20-foot range at line of sight, and I don't know, just wasn't awesome. So we're not gonna go through that one. Got our giant pre-1920s brown and sharp metal lathe. I'm able to clamp my camera stand straight to the lathe bed. The lathe is, I don't know, at least 1,000 pounds. So I don't get much wobble. It's a very stable machine. As long as there's not sawdust under a foot, that changes it. Trying out the camera orientation that Dane suggested for this, just because. We'll see if the microphone catches any of the breathing at this point. Gotta lock down the tailstock first. Make sure we stay in focus. Ooh, the camera setting I found works really well, like that. So it's a metal lathe, so we're actually using live centers from metal lathes. Oh, come on. Alright, so gain -0, rough and cut. Rest is way too low. We'll get the rattle out of this piece, and we'll see if we can catch a hiss. Thank you, camera stand. That one's hissing. Oop. All right. Feels like my edge is a little rounded off. All right, what do we get here? Can it focus on that cut? Oh, it can. Oh, that camera setting is awesome. Anyway, so that's gain 0. We're gonna go gain positive 6. There's our hissing sound. Alright, gain positive 12, because we only get 0, 6, and 12. Gain negative 6. Gain negative 12. That one's hissing. Gain positive 6. There's our hissing sound. Gain positive 12, because we only get 0, 6, and 12. Gain negative 6. Gain negative 12.